everyone, and welcome back. If this is your first time, I hope you'll stay.
Wait!
Espero que te quedes. We're going to have a little person here because she will not stay with anyone today. So you're going to see a little person. A little person might be joining us. Do you want to say hello to everybody, Marley? Say hello, Marley. Hello, people. Hola. Dile hola. Soy Marley. Dile, soy Marley. What's your name? Marley.
Marley.
Marley. And we call you Lily, didn't we?
Lily.
Lily. Okay, vas a dibujar. You can draw on the board. It's fine. So, okay. So, at the moment, it's been a funny, not even moment. It's been a funny year. It's just been really difficult, and not just for me, for everyone, I feel. You know, these last few months have just been so challenging, and so we're all in the same boat, you know, feeling a bit down, feeling a bit blue. And so, you know, teniendo ese bajón, okay? Estar con un bajón, so that's, you know, feeling a bit blue, being in that state of funk, that's funkiness, you know, being in the funk, okay? Estar, hola, estar de bajón. ¿De bajón? ¿Estás de bajón tú? No, estás muy feliz, ¿vale? Muy bien. Estar de bajón is, yes, just feeling a bit blue. And so, yeah, I'm going to talk about those 10 points that you can do to get out of that state of mind, to get out of that negative space. So, the first thing I have for you, I've got everything on my floor. I'm not that organized today because I'm filming in a place I don't normally film, with a person I don't normally film with. Hola. ¿Tú quieres?
Hola.
Siéntate aquí conmigo, ¿vale?
Hola.
Hola, gente.
Hola,
Dile, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Dilo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Bien? ¿Bien? Dame un beso. Mwah. Vale, okay, so let's get started. It's going to be challenging itself. Okay, so the first thing I've got for you is the thing that I've been doing the most. I've been journaling. Okay, so I've been keeping una agenda, and I've just been, more than writing down my feelings, I've been apuntando, jotting down las cosas positivas en mi vida. Okay, so I've been jotting down all the things that I'm grateful for in this. It's not even a diary. I found this in a wonderful charity shop in town in Wiltshire. And I just loved it because it said, I haven't been everywhere, but it is on my list. It's just a notebook, and it just has all these wonderful places. And I thought, there's so many other places I need to visit. And so I thought, I'm going to get this book just to have a notebook, because I like to have notebooks just hanging around my house. And in the end, I just started using it as a sort of journal, really. I'm not going to open it so you can see what I've written, but I've been journaling. I've been yes. See? Muy bien. So I think this is a very useful point. Just keeping a journal and just making a note of being thankful and being grateful. And being grateful for all the small things that you have. It doesn't matter how small, there's always something to be grateful for. And so I think that's the first thing that you need to sort of cheer yourself up and remind yourself that there are good things in your life. Okay, it's not all negative, it's not all black. No tienes que ver todo de negro, okay, como se dice. Okay, the second one for me is getting all dolled up. I feel, I'm not a big makeup person anyways, but whenever I'm feeling a little bit down, Whenever I'm feeling a little bit down, just even if it's just me putting in a little bit of lippy, it makes me feel better. Does it make you feel better? She normally puts the lipstick on as well. She does it every day. I think she just loves wasting my lipstick all over her face. It's okay, we won't talk about that today. So yeah, just if you're a guy, maybe is going to get a haircut or whatever it is, but just doing something that makes you feel physically better. When you look at yourself in the mirror, I find that's a massive help. Try that one. And so number 3 I've got is catching up with someone. So that someone, quedar con alguien, okay? So catching up with someone, quedar con alguien. I was going to note, oops. Uh-oh. ¿Te estás pintando? Muy mal. Mira cómo te has pintado. Mira. Okay, so quedar con alguien, okay, quedar con alguien is meet up with someone. It could be a friend, it could be a family member, but I do feel as though it's very important to meet up with someone, to just have a laugh, have a chat about how things are going. You know, I would try to do that with someone who makes you laugh, because that's the point. Belly laughing, just, you know, that good laugh that comes from your belly, that I feel as though that gives you life. When you have a laugh that just floors you, think of someone who does that to you. Yeah, someone that makes you laugh as much as Lily makes me laugh. Okay, and obviously now with lockdown, we can't meet people anymore, can we? So maybe just FaceTiming them is a good point. Just FaceTiming someone. Okay. The 4th one I've got, I'm not going to be able to use the whiteboard, guys. I'm sorry, because Lily is using it as a drawing pad. Va a ser la próxima Picasso. Okay, this is my next Picasso. So the next point is physical exercise. When you're in that state, get your bike, or if you prefer to go jogging like I do that. It just gives you so much more energy, and I feel as though it helps. Okay, so montar tu bici, o ir a pasear, o a correr, okay, ayuda muchísimo. Next one, sleeping enough. Hay que dormir lo suficiente. Hay que dormir. ¿Qué hay que hacer? Dormir. ¿Qué se hace? ¿Dormir? ¿Sí? Hay que dormir 8 horas. ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántas? 8. 8 horas? She doesn't know how to talk yet. she repeats things. 8 horas or más. So just trying to get enough sleep. And I know this is really hard because I'm guilty of this. I go to bed with all my devices, and I shouldn't do that. You know, I'm sometimes working on my computer and I'll have my phone there, and it's something that we need to learn to do. You know, I'll get up at night to go to the bathroom and I'll turn my phone on. There's no need to do that. So these little things that will keep you up for even longer, it's just making a habit of not doing these things, okay? So, apagar el móvil y no encenderlo por las noches. Okay, so switching off your mobile and just not turning it on throughout the night is another way of just completely getting that time for yourself and really looking after yourself. Okay, really looking after yourself. Next thing, the social media. It can be so detrimental for your health. Okay? Las redes sociales pueden ser muy malos para la salud. So, vamos a limitar las horas en las redes sociales. We're going to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This next one I think is a massive thing because we do overthink a lot. My mind's like this, it's always going, always going, always going. Apagar la mente. No es tan fácil. No es tan fácil. It's not that easy to switch your mind off. Who does that? It's so hard. But I find meditation, la meditación ayuda. Okay, meditation helps. Look it up. Meditate. I promise you, you will feel so much better. La meditación ayuda mucho. Okay, the next point. Get you out of that funk. ¿Cómo vas a salir de ese bajón? How are you going to get out of that funk? Probably my best. I should have put this at #1 actually. You going to guess it? What is it?
No.
Música. You see, look at Lily. She was a bit down before, and look now. You know, I was telling you about looking after yourself. She paints her nails. Does that make you feel better?
The nose.
Yeah. Does it make you feel better when you paint your nails?
The nose.
This is not good for your skin, but
The nose. Nose.
it's beautiful. Es muy, muy bonito lo que has hecho. Una obra de arte.
No.
See? It's very nice. I like that a lot. Well done. Vamos a tener que ducharla. We're going to shower you now. Shower?
Hmm?
You're going to have a shower now?
No.
No? Sí, una ducha.
No.
Okay, let's finish because this has taken much longer than I thought. Okay, so the music, what's that? Music, la música. Music is a massive thing. Whatever, it doesn't matter, even before this lockdown, it doesn't matter what it was that I was feeling sad about. It doesn't matter what it is. Music fixes everything. And even if it's just for an hour or 2 hours, it'll take you to another place. Okay? I love my sweet reggae.
Yeah.
And other times I like a little bit of classical music. Very nice. Sometimes I might fancy a bit of jazz. And it really doesn't matter the genre, but music has that power, that uplifting power. Okay? Te revive, ¿no? Te saca de cualquier sitio oscuro. Te ayuda mucho. Así que recomiendo.
Yeah.
Very nice. I recommend music. Okay? Music. Muy bien. And lastly, but not the least important, muy bien, is that workload. We get weighed down so much by work in general. And I feel as though we need to, especially when we're at home, we need to learn to put work aside and say, do you know what? These are the hours that I'm going to put in at home. And I do need to prioritize other things as well. It's not all work. And we need to give life that priority. At the end of the day, we need to look after ourselves, our mental health, our physical health, the people around us, our space. And if you're constantly working and you don't know how to disconnect, you don't know how to switch off, well, this is obviously going to be a problem. Okay, so quickly, mirad chicos, ¿qué has hecho? Muy mal, Lily, muy mal. Vamos a tener que echarte. Vale, número 1, un diario, ¿ok? Una agenda, keep a diary. Número 2, ponerte guapo o guapa. Get yourself pretty, get dressed up, get dolled up. Número 3, queda con alguien, okay? Catch up with someone. Can be it could be physically or it could be over Skype or whatever it might be. Para reírte mucho, you have to laugh a lot. It's important. Laughter is the medicine of life. Es la medicina, lo necesitamos. Right. Next.
Yeah.
Ir a correr. Deporte.
Mommy.
Wow. So dirty. Okay, so deporte, sports. Get active. Do something. Even if it's hard for you, do something easy. Muy mal. Okay.
Yeah. No.
Muy bien. Oh, a la ducha.
No.
I know, this is going to take forever to come off. Vale, dormir, 8. That wasn't, yeah. Número 5, dormir. Sleep was number 5. Now, the next one. Numbers are all messed up. Social media, turn it off. Las redes sociales, apagarlas, ¿ok? Es que no son necesarias, que no son necesarias. Las redes sociales, hemos dicho eso. Vale. Pensar de más. We need to learn how to disconnect. Desconectar la mente. Descansar un poquito. ¿Ok? La música, que es lo más, para mí quizás es lo más importante. And probably what I run to the most when I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed, or I'm feeling a little bit not myself. And the work overload, people. I think a lot of people will find this a problem, that work gets on top of them. Okay? Disconnect them. Okay? Disconnect. You need to switch off and think about those things. Look after yourself, not just physically, but also emotionally. Surround yourself with people. Rodéate con gente que te hace sonreír, que te hace feliz. If you're around people who don't make you happy or don't make you feel good, that's only going to worsen the situation. I hope that you found this video helpful, and Marley is tired. Whenever she does that, it's because she's tired. So we're going to go. Say goodbye to people, Lily. Adios. We hope to see you again soon. Que te queremos mucho. We love you. Mwah. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Until next time, guys. Mwah. Un beso de Lily y de mí. Adiós. Muy bien, chicos.